A beautiful morning to you all. I hope everybody is happy and fine, isn't it? After rain, a long break we are meeting, isn't it? Yes. So we have completed lesson 6, isn't it? So here we will have one small recap. Okay. So what is plane surface? You can take page number 93 with you. You can read along with me. I'll help you in reading. Okay. So here every answers are given at direct. So here you won't have notes. From the book you can study from 93 the plane surface. You have plane shapes, types of plane shapes. Everything you have to study from this will fill up, match the following will be asked. Understand? And you can study the solid shapes, properties of solid shapes, types of solid shapes, everything. Understand? And this tabular column also. So when you study this tabular column, it is easy to say about the solid shape. Understand? So I have explained you how to draw this cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, everything in the previous class. That you draw and see. Okay, and mark the parts. Okay, this might be a question also. Understand? So here, what is plane surface? The flat surface are called plane surface. Blackboard, paper or examples for plane surface, isn't it? Next, plane shapes. Page number 94. Any closed figure drawn on flat surface is called plane shape or two-dimensional shapes, isn't it? So the plane shapes is made of straight lines or curved lines. It may be straight lines or curved lines. So the types of plane shapes. So here we have triangle, square, rectangle, circle, isn't it? So triangle, if I ask you to write about triangle, you have to write this statement, that's all, and draw a triangle. If I ask about square, you have to draw a square and write 4 sides, 4 vertices. All the 4 sides of the squares are equal. Is it clear? So triangle makes up 3 line segment called sides. A point where 2 lines meet is called corner. So the corner is otherwise called as what? Vertex. So how many vertices you have? 3 vertices, 3 sides, isn't it? Good. Next, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices. Here opposite sides are equal. Understand? Next, circle. Circle is made up of curved lines. Here no corners, no sides. Understand? So pentagon means what? Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Hexagon means 6 sides and 6. So penta means 5, hexa means 6. So this much is about what? Two-dimensional shapes or plane shapes. Now we are going to see something about solid shapes that we saw, isn't it? Now I will explain you to how to draw the cube once again, cube and cuboid. So please learn how to draw it. Okay. A simple method of drawing. I will help you. Right? You take a scale. Always have a scale. Okay. So if you take, we have studied, isn't it? The face of the cube will be of what shape? Square, isn't it? In the square, what property you studied? All the 4 sides are equal, isn't it? So in the scale, if you take 3 centimeter, all the sides should be 3 centimeter. Understand? All the 3 sides are 3 centimeter. Understand? After that, half of the 3 centimeters, 1.5 centimeter. That you take it half of that. Okay. Again you take 3 centimeter. Join this line and join all the corners. All the corners. So you get a cube. So if I ask you to mark the parts, what will you say it? This is what? Face. This particular space is called what? Face. Okay, one face will be square. So all the 6 sides will be what? Of square shape. Understand? So this is what? Face. Okay, is it clear? Next, this is what? This is called what? Edge. Okay. And this is, the meeting points are called what? Corner, or what you can write? Vertex. Right? So this is the way you have to draw it. Is it clear, baby? So this next, what you have to do is, next, if I draw cuboid, means what I said, it will be of what shape? In the book, what is its shape? It is what? Can you see it? The shape of this thing is rectangle, isn't it? So what is the property of rectangle? Again, I'll draw and show you what is the property of rectangle. Rectangle is what? Opposite sides are equal, isn't it? So 2 sides only will be equal. So if I take here 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, I'll take here as 4 centimeter. So these two are, then opposite sides will be equal. Okay. Right, if I take here, it is what? 6 centimeter, means half of this, 3. You mark a point with the 3, you draw another rectangle. Okay, with 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, join the line. So draw 2 rectangles, join all the corners. I hope you can understand easily, isn't it? Yes. Now opposite sides are equal. Understand? Opposite sides are equal. Now you can easily say how many you have. How many thing you have here? The same thing is 6 flat surface. You will have 12 edges. Understand? And 8 vertices. Is it clear? Once again I repeat. This is 6 flat surface. All the flat surface. Understand? You have 6 flat surface. So example, it is this. This is the flat surface, right? So all the sides it is rectangle only. Understand? So what will have? You will have less 6 flat surface, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 8 vertices. Okay, this you have to take and write this much. The cuboid has 6 flat surface, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Study all the spellings. Okay. So opposite faces of the cuboid are equal. Understand? For example, shoe box is an example for cuboid. So if it is a question direct or indirect, you should know, isn't it? You should know what your box is also a shape of cuboid. Your shoe box is also a shape of cuboid. Understand? So you can mark the parts. How you will mark the parts? Faces. Understand? So how many faces you have? 6. With this itself, you can easily learn. Okay, 6 face. 8 vertices. You have what? 8 vertices. This point is vertices. So 8 vertices. Understand? Next, edges. How many edges you have? 12 edges. So this is the part surface. This is edge. So you in this cuboid, you have 12 edge, 8 vertices, 6 face. Is it clear? So this is the way you can easily draw. Am I right? Sphere, cylinder is easy to draw, isn't it? That you can easily draw. Next, sphere, isn't it? Sphere, it has curved surface. Ball is an example. Cylinder, you have what? 2 circular face, isn't it? 2 circular face and 1 curved surface. The middle portion is the curved surface and 2 curved edges. This curved edge and this side also curved edge. Understand? The face is, this portion is face. Understand? Two plane face. This side also plane face. This is also plane face. Understand? Same thing. For cone, it is asked means what do you say? The one semicircle, when you turn it, it will become a cone. Understand? You can make a birthday cap and have fun. Isn't it? Fine. So it is also given here. You can make a birthday cap and have fun. An activity, max lab activity. Yes, you can do and show me. Yes? Fine. Right. So it has one circular plane face and one curved surface. It has one curved edge and one vertex. Vertex is what? This point. Only one point you have the edge. Understand? Vertex. Right? And it has one curved edge. That cannot be said as like cube. You won't get that edge. It will be a curved edge. Understand? So curved edge and one vertex. One vertex. Is it clear here? This face is only one circular plane face. Is it clear? Fine. So with this, you are going to do match the following. I gave you as an homework, isn't it? That we will have a review. Okay. So take page number 98. Page number 98. Where is the sphere? Your ball is a sphere, right? Okay. Next to cuboid. The gift box is the cuboid. You mark it. Cylinder. The candle is the cylinder. Good. Cube. Here is the cube. And cone. Your ice cream cone is cone. Yes. Now you can see these pictures and say what is the shape. Isn't it? This is what? Cube. Very good. Here. Sphere. Cone. Very good. Cylinder. And this is cuboid. So with this, if you have a good knowledge about these shapes, you can easily identify what are the shapes, isn't it? Now I am going to ask you exercise 6.3. There is something I'll explain you. Okay, I have only one curved surface. I am only one curved surface. What is that? Very good. Sphere. It is what? Sphere. You can write along with me. I am giving enough time, right? Yes. I have two circular plane faces and I curved surface. I have two plane faces. I am a what? Two plane surfaces. I am a very good cylinder. You can write it cylinder. Okay. Next. I have one circular plane face and one curved surface. I am a only one. We have studied now. What is that? Yes, it is cone. Okay. 6 equal square face. Good. You are correct. It is cube. Next. I have 6 face, 3 pairs of 2 equal rectangular face. So 2 pairs of equal rectangular face. What is that? I have said. So opposite sides are equal in rectangle, isn't it? So it will become a very good. It is cuboid. So this is the exercise 6.3. Right? This is already you have done. Just have a review that whether you have written correct or not. Right? Next, this birthday cap, you can do it and show me. Fine. Next. Here you are going to write worksheet 1. This you can complete easily. One is I am a what? 5 sides means what? It is pentagon. Isn't it? Pentagon. I have how many sides? 5. I have dash vertices? 5. Right? Like that. You complete. By seeing this picture, you can do it. Here I am a circle. Have sides means no. Put a dash. I have vertices? No. Right? Like that you can complete this. Okay. Next, 3D shape. This is also easy. So my face is what? Square. So you can match with square. Isn't it? Match it. Now this face is rectangle. Where is rectangle? Match it. Here, this is cone, which shows what shape? Triangle. Good. Here it is what? How many sides? 5 sides. Here 5 sides or 6 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it is what? Hexagon. So match it. Here this match with circle. So these are 3D shapes. This is 2D shapes. Understand? Fine. Now here, choose the correct name of each of the shapes. Now you know the shapes, isn't it? There you put a tick. If it is cylinder, put a tick. If it is a cone, put a tick like that. Do this. Okay, I hope you have completed. Fine. Now, this is an activity given for you, an integrated activity. Have you seen wheels attached to the bottom of the luggage trolleys? Why are wheels used at the bottom of the luggage trolleys? Have you gone for a tour? You have luggages, isn't it? Why it is kept a trolley in that? To lift it is very heavy, isn't it? When you drag it, it comes together with you, isn't it? It will roll. So to reduce your weight, you use this trolley, isn't it? Yes? What would happen if the bottom of your shoe is spherical? Imagine you put a shoe with spherical base is not flat, it is round. What will happen? Are you able to walk? No, isn't it? You'll fall down easily, isn't it? So it won't give you a balance. It keeps on rolling, so you won't be able to walk. Fine. Now experiential learning. Okay. Hema celebrated her birthday with the children in an orphanage. What do you mean by orphanage? The children don't have a mother or father or both of them. So they will be taken care of a care center, which is called as orphanage. Okay. She bought birthday caps and balls for the children. What solid shapes do the party caps and the balls resembles? You do cap, isn't it? What shape it resembles? It resembles cone, isn't it? So ball resembles sphere. That you can take and write. Okay. Simple thing that these things are of your own words. You have to use your own words and write. Okay. So cap resembles cone, ball resembles sphere. Okay. Now, what are the properties of these shapes? What are the properties of cap is cone, isn't it? Cone, what is the property? You can take and write the property. From the book before, you can see it and write. That is, cone is one circular plane face, one curved surface, one vertex, one edge. Okay. So this is of your own activity. Just I am giving you an idea. Okay. Sphere means what? One curved surface. Is it clear? Right. What is the value displayed by Hema? See, here it's a value. She celebrated birthday not in her house. She celebrated in what? An orphanage, isn't it? So here her good qualities are there, isn't it? She's lovable to others. So she's taking care of others. In the orphanage, they get food and cakes happily when others come and give it, isn't it? So she has good values in her, isn't it? She's helping in nature, lovable. That and all you can take and write. Okay, fine. So this is all your activity. You can do it. I hope you can understand this lesson properly. The followed class, that is on Friday, we will have a quick revision of whatever we studied before and till now. Understand? So you'll be having 1 to 6 lesson for your term exam. Okay. So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, dear.